Hi guys, welcome to the Diamond family. You have a circle about 1 carat of diamonds, classic piece, goes with absolutely everything. Love this piece. Very unique. We've got matching earrings and necklace for that also. For you, sir, this is a brand new Yachtmaster. Can't go wrong with this guy. Sharp. Thank you as always, brother. Take care, guys. Merry Christmas to you. Oh, don't forget, guys, if it snows on Christmas Day, you're getting a refund for all of those, so pray for snow at the North Pole. Welcome to the Diamond family, guys. All right, I got a couple rings for you to try on here today. Monster, I just absolutely love this piece. This is something a little less ostentatious here.
Beautiful.
Guys, I love what you picked out here. You can't go wrong with either one of these. You want to take one home for Christmas?
Honestly, I think that we should think about it a little bit more, but I do thank you for your time.
Always, it's my pleasure. Enjoy the process, and we look forward to hearing from you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Guys, one more thing. You're gonna get a full refund if it snows on Christmas Day at the North Pole.
It never snows at the North Pole on Christmas Day. Thank you, though.
Hey, we'll see.
Mom, Dad, come look. It's snowing.
Merry Christmas, everyone! We are live here at the North Pole, and as you can see, it's snowing like crazy. Oh my gosh, is that Santa Claus? Santa, Merry Christmas! Is there anything you want to say?
Yep, you should buy something from the Diamond family. You still got time.
You know what that means. All of our jewelry is
Free.
You should buy something
kidding
from the
me?
Diamond family.
What?
You still got time.
It's snowing in the North Pole.
Are you serious?
Wish for a White Christmas is back at the Diamond family. Make any purchase from Black Friday until December 18th, and if it snows at the North Pole on Christmas Day, you literally get a full refund. Enjoy shopping at the Diamond family, or you'll end up like these guys.
Told you we should have got something.
No, you didn't.